Bugatti has officially revealed the Tourbillon Hypercar, marking the first entirely new model from the French luxury automaker since the Chiron, which was released in 2016 and recently discontinued. This vehicle also represents Bugatti's debut hybrid. The first deliveries are expected in 2026, with a starting price of €3.8 million, $4.08 million. At the heart of the Tourbillon is an 8.3-litre, naturally aspirated V16 engine, producing 1,000 horsepower. Developed with input from Cosworth, this internal combustion engine is paired with 3 electric motors, 2 at the front and 1 at the rear, together adding 800 horsepower. These motors are powered by an 800-volt, 24.8 kilowatt-hour battery that allows the car to travel up to 60 kilometers on electric power alone, according to the WLTC cycle. The combustion engine is mated to a new 8-speed automated manual transmission. Externally, the Tourbillon resembles a restyled version of the Chiron, which is understandable given that the same chief designer, Achim Anscheit, was responsible for both models before stepping down last summer. Despite the familiar aesthetics, Bugatti emphasizes that the chassis and body panels, made of T800 carbon fiber composite, are entirely new. Additionally, several components and systems have been developed from scratch. The Tourbillon measures 4,671 mm in length, 2,051 mm in width, without mirrors, and 1,189 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,740 mm. Compared to the Chiron, it's 127 mm longer, 13 mm wider, and 23 mm lower, with a 29 mm increase in wheelbase. Some design elements of the Chiron remain, such as the horseshoe-shaped grille, C-shaped sidelines, and the two-tone paint scheme. These details trace back to Jean Bugatti, son of the company's founder, Ettore Bugatti. The Tourbillon's appearance also draws inspiration from historical models like the Type 35, Type 41 Royale, and Type 57 SC Atlantic, as noted by current design director Frank Heyl. Unique to the Tourbillon are its 20-inch front wheels and 21-inch rear wheels, fitted with Michelin Pilot Cup Sport, 2 tires developed specifically for this model. The hypercar's name, Tourbillon, refers to a device in mechanical watches designed to counteract the effects of Earth's gravity, enhancing precision. This nod to mechanical craftsmanship extends to the interior, where Swiss specialists have created analog instruments, and the steering wheel features a fixed center that ensures an unobstructed view in any position. The center console controls are made from aluminum and crystal, while the only digital display, which supports Apple CarPlay, appears only when needed and retracts after 2 to 5 seconds, depending on the mode. Despite its larger size and hybrid technology, the Tourbillon weighs just 1,995 kilograms, nearly the same as the Chiron, thanks to cutting-edge materials like the lightweight composite body and aluminum multi-link suspensions produced using 3D printing. This process has reduced suspension weight by 45% compared to the previous model. The hypercar's internal combustion engine weighs only 252 kilograms, contributing to its relatively light build. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in exactly 2 seconds, reaching 400 kilometers per hour in 25 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to either 380 kilometers per hour or 445 kilometers per hour, with the latter requiring a speed key to unlock. Production of the Tourbillon will be capped at 250 units, making it twice as rare as the Chiron. Assembly will take place at Bugatti's factory in Molsheim, France, once production of the final models based on the Chiron, including the W16-powered Mistral and Bolide, is completed.